Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Kenny again. Currently at Ed's house. We're gonna be doing a few things today. I'm doing a few maintenance, oil change, spark plugs, and yeah, we're starting to do his new exhaust, the Spec-D exhaust. I'm pretty sure it's a little dirty, so we're gonna clean it up real quick. But yeah. So we'll update you soon. Hopefully we won't run into issues, but it'll be fun. Actually gonna eat first with Mrs. Juicy. Hey, look at so cute. Alright, I'm gonna eat first. Alright, we'll be back. Bye-bye. Just came back from lunch. Dad did some by himself, and look at that. Before, after. It's working. Just keep on rubbing it, then we'll put it all back together. We do some rollers later. Then I need to do my stuff in a bit. But yeah. What else you gotta do today?
It's actually coming off like really good too. Actually, you know what? Can you open the steel wool?
Yeah, give me a sec.
I might do the wing today too.
Oh yeah, the wing. Yes, not too cold today. Pretty warm. But yeah, earlier I went to Walmart, bought the wrong freaking oil, so I had to go back. Then I ran into some trouble because someone needed help translating, so I had to translate for like a good 20 minutes, but it's all good. Good deed of the day. Alright, but I'm gonna help Ed real quick, so I'm gonna set this down. Shit. Where the gloves at?
In there, yep.
Alright, quick little update. It's pretty clean for the most part. We're doing the best we can. I think we're just gonna take the stock exhaust off for now. Then we'll probably get back to it because the Drail's battery ran out of juice. So we're gonna jack it up and then try to take the old one off. Alright, now we're doing surgery. I'm gonna take these stock ones off. It's gonna be a pain in the neck. Oh, this whole strip right here. Put some muscle into it. I'm excited to hear what it sounds like later. Damn! Chevy Malibu, what's good, David?
Man, what rental? Dude, look, I got a ticket. Why are we always matching?
Why are we matching?
Every time.
I don't know. It's all good.
Dude, I got a parking ticket. You know why? I posted on my phone. UVF, right? 8100, right?
What that mean?
Dude, I didn't put this bitch, the dash, they give me a fucking ticket.
How much?
Only $25.
No worries.
Dude, you see mask? We don't have it.
But you can I
filed the claim.
Alright, good. Wow, man. Shit.
How's it going?
Well, we just cleaned the Spec-D exhaust.
Can you take this out? Can you take that bolt up?
Hold this.
And then put it back on this thing. I gotta go to the marine store. I just stopped by.
Right now?
Yeah,
Cause on.
West Marine. I gotta buy a pump. It's on sale right now.
Oh, okay. But yeah.
Do you take out the original?
No, we're doing it right now. That's the Spec-D one. We just cleaned it a little bit.
You get the gaskets and everything?
Yeah, it's over there.
I think, honestly, the only part that you really need to clean was the end tip, the place where people see.
I mean, we just got like some dirt and grime off of it. But yeah. Are you going to Mohegan?
Yeah.
Later?
What time are we going? 5? I can drive.
I can't go.
Well, Chris is down to go.
We just saw him earlier.
Yeah, I just saw him too. I gotta go to my 5 o'clock. What's up, man?
I can't fucking like the other side. It's like not holding.
Fighting?
Yeah.
Just gotta. You have to put. You just have to put.
Dude, that's too small.
Well, your car's total?
Yeah, it's helpful.
Shit, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. At least you're alive, you know? You're alive, right? Shit, look at this. We got the stock exhaust out. That shit was mad annoying. I'm gonna put on the Spec-D. Poor man's NVIDIA, right? We're gonna put on the poor man's NVIDIA exhaust. I think so. I mean, it's still gonna be louder regardless, but. And it got blue tips, you know, so.
Do you think you do me a favor? Can you take the RAV out for a drive? The brake is squeaking like really bad.
How many miles are you on? That's your pants.
Yeah, I know.
Alright. We're
Do you think I
gonna
need to replace new ones and rotors?
do a little bit more cleaning. We're gonna try to put the puzzle pieces together. Oh yeah, we need to go to Home Depot because one of the screws is like freaking
Where's the drill?
corroded and rusted onto the gasket and yeah. Dirty hands. We'll be back. Oh, we just came back from Home Depot. Chrissy Poo came through.
Hey,
Oh shit, what you doing?
What's up, everybody?
What you doing?
I'm just buffing out my car.
Oh, buffing out? Oh shit, shit. Can you do mine too?
Yeah, come on.
Alright. Oh, there's some service here?
You want some Armor All original protection wipes? Not sponsored.
Okay.
I got some microfiber cloth.
Okay.
Wanna have you bun me too?
Bun me?
Bun me.
Oh my goodness.
How are you, man?
Nah, I'm all set.
Okay.
Thank you though. Alright, we're gonna do some exhaust work real quick. Ah, Jesus. Literally driving to Home Depot, and then we went to a where do we go? Ace?
Yeah. He knows where it
It's like a family owned hardware store. They had everything. So, and they gave us free popcorn. So it's pretty clutch. Alright, so now we're gonna try to put all the puzzle pieces together. Hopefully we could hear it roar in a bit. Stay tuned.
It's so leaking.
Yeah, I think it's leaking.
Some of it's coming out here.
I think we're almost there. Honestly, I think we're good here. Might be leaking a little bit. It's like not. I think it sounds pretty good.
If I can get it down to Rhode Island to one of those FRS guys, it's like, I think it's like a little bit.
Got that Spec-D. I mean, you can do it again, you know.
Yeah, but if it leaks from the front, it's gonna be a.
All right, but
Maybe.
thanks for watching.